My name is Devin Vetter, and I'm a senior.
Kelly, I'm a junior.
I avoid the construction by just planning my routes differently around it and taking other roads. What areas? Definitely the McDonald's. I like to go there and eat, so that's affected me a little bit. But just going down 84th Street, it's a little different, scenically.
It affects the food places around.
Are you affected directly from the construction?
No, I don't. I don't live around there. I live in a different part of town.
Daily travel, it doesn't really affect me.
What's your opinion on the new remodel of 84th?
I think it's going to be good, but I wish they would hurry up.
What is your advice for new drivers driving through the construction?
Keep it slow. Take it slow. Be careful and cautious, and be alert.
Just watch where you're going and you should be fine.